chick, you can book with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is passports, international shoes. Hit the resorts, I can stay at both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick to switch my room up, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't gotta work, I make travel moves. No 9 to 5, I make.
What's up, MBM Empire? It's your girl Shantae, aka MomBossMayo, and today I am back with another movie. Without further ado, we're going to get right into the video. Today's video, I am going to be doing my hair. Doing this for the first time on my head, so hairstylists and all y'all don't come over here criticizing hair police and all that. I'm not a stylist, but I'm my stylist. So I'm gonna get into this video. I may do voiceover because my 11-month-old is out there watching Coco Melon, and I'm gonna have to, open this door and watch him. So I may, y'all may not be able to hear him. So make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe with your mama, dad, your cousins, your uncles, your brothers, your dad, your sisters, your granddad, your grandmama, your enemies, your haters, your business partners, your co-workers, everybody. So we're gonna get right into this video. Okay guys, as you can see, I have my hair twisted up, plaited. And on the sections, I'm gonna take the rubber bands off because I am trying this new method that I learned on YouTube from that girl CHEV. So make sure y'all go follow her and tell her to come and subscribe to your girl because she gives your girl inspiration. I don't know if y'all gonna hear this because, like I said, I may do the voiceover, but we've been get started in this video. So, see my paws. I have a bell. So, this is the hair that I'm going to be using. 26 inches, and I'm probably just gonna use 2 of them, maybe 1.5, 3, a whole pack and 1, I think. But my head little, so we gonna see. And you also gonna need some of these. And you gonna need an edge brush. And you also gonna need something that I forgot. Let me go get it, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back, and this is the special tool, the crochet needle that we gonna need, and I'm trying this, so we got to get right in.
Okay guys, so this is your girl first time doing voiceover, so let me know what you think. So right now I'm just combing through my hair. I've taken the rubber bands off, and you probably can't tell, but I've actually redone all the parts over because I wanted a few more braids. So I got my shining gem, and I'm putting it around my hair, as you can see, around where the edge is and that new growth. Y'all see that kitchen, I said new growth, that kitchen area. And then I'm gonna brush it down after I apply the shining gem. And I'm trying to let you guys see, like I said, this is my first time doing this on my hair, so let me know what you think. So I got the brush and I'm brushing. As you can see now, I'm pulling the hair out, separating it. I'm about to attempt my first plait. You can't hear my baby boy, he's in the background crying. I'm dancing to music, so that's why I'm doing this voiceover. So now you just take the crochet needle through your hair, then you just grab your first piece of hair that you're going to hook through, and you slide one end through, and you grab the other end, and just make sure it's even on both sides. And you continue to add in the hair to your thickness, to your liking. I think I only added it in once. No, I think twice. Because I wanted mine to be, jumbo. Not too big or not too small. So I'm going to add in another piece, like I said. So stick your crochet needle through. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. You attach the hair to your crochet needle, and then you pull it through. And you grab one end, and like so, like that. So just watch my demonstration. I think watching me is better than me actually talking. Again, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl drop a new video. Because this mama 6 trying to get these bills paid. So support our family. Support our family. Okay, so now I have the hair crocheted in, and I am just going to braid it down. I learned this technique off of YouTube, and this is for people that really don't have a good grip. So you can just crochet the hair through your natural hair, and it should stay attached, and it really looks like a knotless braid. I really like it. So just zoomed in a little closer for you to see what I'm actually doing with my hair. Yes, I'm talking. My son and my fiance is putting something together for me. I think it's my dresser, and they're telling me it's not the right dresser, so I'm getting a little upset. But come to find out, it is the right dresser. They just didn't know what they were talking about. Back to the video. So that's why my face is looking all turned up. So I'm just braiding my hair down, telling them they better get my dresser fixed or else. So I'm almost done. I'm just going to plait it all the way down to the length that I desire. And then I'm just going to add a rubber band and move on to the next. Okay, your girl getting the hang of it now. Y'all see me bobbing my head now. Can't tell me nothing. Okay, now I'm coming to y'all at a different angle since I'm on the other side. As you can see, your girl got the back done, so I'm getting hype. I'm getting hype like, yeah, your girl doing her hair. She can't believe she doing her hair. But yeah, so I'm about to do this one on this side. So you just take your crochet needle through your hair after you plait it down like 3 or 4 times. You take your first piece of hair that you want to take through, hook it to the needle, take one side through, and then you continue to add the hair until you get your desired thickness of the braid that you want. Okay, now don't give your girl a hard time now. You done been doing good this far. Now y'all see the hair want to act a fool and don't want to attach to the needle. But that's the devil. The devil is a lie, because I'm going to get this hairstyle completed. You better believe it. So just hold on while your girl get this hair through. Okay, piece number 2. I'm like, oh, yeah. I can do this every day, all day. Yeah, that's what I'm saying in my head, y'all. Like, yeah. Alright, see, just pull one end of the hair through. I think it's actually a simpler way to do it, but I was getting frustrated with this one braid. So as you can see, I just yanked the hair through. But I did fix it. So now I'm just going to even the size in my braid and just braid down. And then take a little extra hair from the sides of the other hair to add to mine to make the third plait be the same thickness as the other 2. So as you can see, I'm adding some shine jam, in case you didn't know what that was, to my natural hair to make it blend in more with the braid hair. So yeah, your girl rocking back and forth, back and forth. I hope I'm still in the frame, but you know, I was feeling the music, so that's why your girl doing all this dancing. But so far so good. We almost done, y'all. We almost done. Add a little bit more shine jam and just keep braiding down. I zoomed in a little bit for you so you can see what I'm doing. Just plaiting down like a regular plait. Bless me. Alright now, yeah, your girl like, yeah, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Hey. Yeah. Look like your girl got 2 more braids to do and we done. Alright, now you can see I'm at the top. And I've already attached the hair, so now I'm just braiding down. So you guys just watch the plait down technique. Hopefully you can see it. But it's just like any plait. So if you know how to plait hair, once you crochet the weaving hair through, then it should just be a piece of cake. Just plait it down like you would just regular plait hair. If that makes any sense. It's not rocket science. But I do understand some people may not be able to do it. So please don't get offended if I'm saying it's not rocket science. I'm just saying, if you watch the demonstration, you can eventually get it. Believe in yourself. Have faith in yourself. Okay, I zoomed in a little bit more so you guys can see the plait. As you can see, I'm just got the 3 strands and I'm just plaiting down. Plaiting down till I get to the length that I want it to be. And then your girl looking like, yes, yes, yes. We got one more braid to do. I am so excited to see the outcome. Okay, guys. Your girl is on the last braid at the top. Check out that length on the girl hair. Check out that length. Yes. If y'all want to see the video on how I use aloe vera gel in my hair and in my kids' hair, I will do a video on that and let you see. Actually, I already have one with my girls, just not with my own. So watch that video. It is in the link in the description box. And it is actually helping to grow my girls' hair. And you can see I'm plaiting down my natural hair like 3 or 4 times, like I said. And now you just add in your weaving hair. I said weaving hair. Your braiding hair. Like I said, I attached two pieces because you can't put a lot through the crochet needle. It won't go through. So I put mine through in 2 sections. See, put the needle through, grab the hair, slide it through, grab one end, and then grab the other piece of hair, attach it, and plait down. Okay, I tried to zoom in so you guys can see. Putting the crochet needle through again, attaching the second piece of hair, and now I'm bringing it through. I'm going to make sure that it is all even, and then I'm going to start plaiting down. Yes, I know y'all hear the excitement in my voice. I'm like, y'all, I cannot believe I have done knotless box braids on my own head. Yeah, you know, them parts, you know, they may not be the best, but they look good to me. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, I did good. So I'm just going to plait it down. Almost done. I'm getting excited. That's why I'm rushing a little bit. Maybe mess up this braid a little bit trying to plait it so fast. But we going to get done. We going to get done. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah, your girl almost done. I had to get to the camera and show y'all. Okay, so now I have the hot water and I am sealing my edges. My bad. Sealing my ends of my hair so they don't come loose. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, my head in the bowl of water. I got the door open because my baby boy is out there hollering my name. If you guys can only hear him. Because he calls me Shantae. He doesn't call me Mama. It's hilarious. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to dry my hair. And then after that, I'm going to put some jewels on and lay my edges down. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. I'm about to take off my made up edge red because my keys done lost mine. And here we go. Voila! Knotless box braids to buy your girl. What y'all think?
My doctor said I could start on Katrina, so I did. Hey, look! This just got better. In a clinical study, Keytruda offered patients a longer life than chemotherapy.
No, I'm not a professional.
Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. MomBossMayo, MBM Empire. Take Let me know what I could have did better, what I can do next. I'm gonna make them longer and thicker next time. This was my first time and I think I did good. Mom of 6, 3 girls, yes. Keep it up. Give your girl a like or a dislike if you don't like it. Either way, I appreciate it. And thank you for watching. Peace.